we are naturally drawn to the water. It flows in our veins, mesmerizes us with its beauty, and calms us with its tranquility. Its ability to transform light and mimic the sky leaves us in awe. The water beckons us to escape to new places and connect back to the things that matter most. Sea Ray's iconic Sundancer series was created to let you escape in ways never thought possible and help you share extraordinary adventures. 45 years later, Sea Ray has reinvented an icon with a brand new model that is leading the next generation. The Sundancer 370. Thoughtful innovation, exhilarating power, and enticing spaces ignite your passion for the water unlike ever before. Built for adventures from the time the sun peaks above the horizon and dances across the sky, to the time the moon rises and the heavens illuminate with thousands of twinkling stars. The interior cabin is beautifully furnished with inviting comforts for an oasis-like retreat on the waves. Easy-to-reach intuitive controls allow for intelligent command. Everything has been carefully considered, giving you the confidence to explore new places and craft memories for years to come. The all-new Sundancer 370. Live the legacy.
Love it here.
Yeah, you want to move to the Keys? Florida's beautiful. We should move. The Keys. The Keys life. I'm Tarek Moussa. I'm a TV personality, a real estate investor, and an entrepreneur.
And I'm Heather Ray Young. I am on a show called Selling Sunset on Netflix. I do high-end real estate. I'm a model and a TV personality.
Oh my.
And we're here in the Florida Keys with Sea Ray
to introduce the all-new Sundancer 370. Look at this thing!
I love this!
It's 3 engines! Wow, look at the seats!
Oh, this is amazing.
It's 37 foot, right?
Yeah,
but it's completely open in the back. You have a huge front.
I love this.
Like, look at the actual architecture of the boat. You see the smooth lines?
Yeah. It looks really sleek and really sexy, right?
It is. It's gorgeous.
Oh, it looks fun.
Right now, we live in Newport Beach, California, and we are about 50 feet from the water.
Yes, we are. We can see it. It's beautiful.
You know, a lot of people buy boats and they don't use their boats. You know, when we got our boat, we use it. We use the boat. Cook on it, clean on it, sleep on it, hang out on it. And there's just something so fun about being on the water. You know, it just reminds you of being a kid and having no responsibilities and nothing to do. So we like to get out on the water, float on the boat, listen to music, have a drink, and just hang out. Like, that is our thing.
Let's do it. I love this.
Oh, this is cool.
Wow. So where would our hangout area be? I'm thinking over here.
I'm thinking right off the bat, this is me.
We like to entertain and have our friends come. So our boat, we use it as a party boat, and then we also use it as like our
entertaining boat.
Entertaining boat, yes. Somewhere to make some drinks, cook a little bit of food. Ooh, I like this a lot.
So it has all the great things that our boat has, right? It has the table, it has the seating, it has the bar. Is that a barbecue?
It looks like barbecue, little bar area. Let me see. Wow. Fridge down here. Love it. Oh, this is a great size too.
Okay, a bunch of drinks.
This is amazing. This is
great.
great.
Look at this. It has AC and heat.
That's what we need. It seems bigger than 37 feet, right?
It does. It does, 'cause it's so wide.
I really love this, and I feel like it has a great amount of seating for the family and our friends.
You know me, I'm in housing. I like luxury houses. I like high-end finishes. And when I saw the boat, it just felt like a really high-end boat to me. So I fell in love with the look, the aesthetic, and especially the way it felt on the water. Let's see where I'm sitting.
Okay.
Come on, honey.
Okay, can you drive this thing?
Of course I can drive
this
this
thing. Look at this, how modern.
Oh look, it has a
screen is.
joystick just like our boat.
Oh,
of course I can drive this thing.
Okay, this is so modern.
It's gorgeous.
I love the Simrad control screen. This is amazing.
It's beautiful. Does it have music on this thing?
Let's see. Ooh, right here.
Is it on?
We're always the loudest boat.
Yeah.
Honestly, we are. We like music. We like to always be having fun. Let's crank it up. Okay, because we like our music loud. A little louder. I like it.
That's nice. Okay.
It's beautiful.
You know what the best part is? The glass. Look at all this glass. You can see everything.
There's so much. I love all the glass on the side of us and in the front. And the window looks insanely big.
It's gorgeous.
And imagine with all this opened. Yeah. Okay, honey. Cool. I love it.
You like the boat?
I love it. I really do.
You'd call us a boating family,
For
right?
sure. We're a boating family. I think the kids, as they get older, they're really starting to enjoy the boat more.
Now it's like, you know, they hang out with us up top. The boat kind of brings us all together, and it just creates like the best memories. How does this open? Is it easy?
Don't hit yourself in the head.
Oh, that is neat.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love this.
We just sit here and cruise for hours. The kids would love it up here, though. But my favorite part is the safety, because you can just walk back and forth and there's nothing to worry about. So check it out. Like if it's winter, if it's cold outside, you close that door. This door closes and it's fully enclosed.
Okay.
So we can stay warm in there.
Yeah.
But look how big this door is.
Wow. Honey, I love it. I love the color combo.
Wow, look at the wood.
Oh, wow, you're gonna be obsessed. It's so modern.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Our apartment in West Hollywood.
It
Super
does.
modern,
the
relaxing,
modern, the
fun.
colors.
They nailed it with this boat.
Nailed it.
I'm not kidding. Like, I love this
TV,
boat.
look at the TV right here.
So TV, is that a, that turns into a bed. The front's a bed.
Little microwave. This is so cute. Look at that. Perfect, it's all you need. What's this? Oh my God, look at the
gorgeous.
floor.
That is gorgeous.
Okay, this is so our style, honey. Like, come on.
See the color schemes, like the black and the woods? It's just
totally
gorgeous.
our style. I love the floor.
Oh, there's more down here.
Wow,
look at this.
There is?
Oh my gosh, the kids would love this. Taylor and Braden, right here, all day long.
I love this little loungy area.
Yeah, we should buy this boat. We should buy this boat. I love this boat.
So does this turn into a bed too, or is this more of like a little lounge?
No, this turns into a bed too. So this turns into a bed, the front part turns into a bed, so it's actually perfect for a family. What do you think about the overall design, actually?
I'm obsessed with it.
I love the wood.
I think they did a great job for a 37 foot.
The materials they use, the textures they use, the colors they use, they just nailed it.
Now, honey, I haven't seen as many boats as you, but for a 37 foot, how does the inside compare?
It feels like a 50 foot.
So TV here, that pops up. You can chill, relax here. The kids can be watching movies, play their games, and then they can take a little nappy.
Yeah, they're gonna love it.
I love it. I love the flooring down here.
There's one more thing we need to do.
Go for a cruise.
Go for a cruise.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Oh, I love it.
We are very, very busy people between the businesses and the shows and the kids, but literally every free second we have, we spend it on the water. You know, when we think of boating, we think of fun, we think of freedom. So you can be in the middle of the ocean with no land around, and all you see is the gorgeous weather, the beautiful water, the birds, the dolphins, and it's truly freedom. I mean, I can't think of any other place where I can go, just turn off an engine and float, and boating gives that to us.
For us, it's such a joy. It's been like really something that we really cherish every single moment we're on our boat, and we really enjoy it to the fullest. We met on the boat, we fell in love on the boat, so it's a really special place for us.